this video, we'll walk you through how to adjust the sash on a casement window. Over time, a sash may shift slightly, leading to improper alignment or difficulty locking the window securely. To start, unlock and fully open the window sash to access the hinge side. Locate the sash adjustment hinge arm pin, found on the bottom and top hinge arms where they attach to the window frame. While your assistant supports the sash on the outside, disengage the upper hinge arm by prying it down off the adjustment hinge arm pin. This is a cammed pin that, when rotated left or right, will move the sash in that direction approximately 1/16 of an inch from the center. Rotating the sash hinge arm pin 180 degrees will shift the sash out or in depending on the starting position. So, make adjustments gradually and test as you go. Once the sash is properly aligned, close the window and check that it locks smoothly and forms a consistent seal along the frame.